Hi, my name is Zahra Damia binti Muhammad Ridwan.
Hi, my name is Nur Nabila binti Mak Yasin.
Hi, my name is Nur Yashpin binti Samsa Akmal.
Hi, my name is Aisha Umairah binti Zulkifli.
Compound interest. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous periods, and we call it as interest on interest. And compound interest has one formula, which is S equal to P 1 plus I power n, and the I equal to K over M, and the n is equal to MT.
Let's talk about annuity. Annuity divided by 2, which is present value and future value. Present value is today's worth of future payments, while future value shows how an investment grows over time. Formula for present value is A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. Future value formula is S equals to R times 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 over I.
For question 1, a company placed RM 120,000 into a sinking fund to upgrade office equipment. They compared two financial institutions. Question 1A, Bank A offers 5.5% interest per year, compounded semi-annually. The formula used is S equals to P times 1 plus K per M, compounded M plus times T. P equals to 120,000, K equals to 0.055, M equals to 2, T equals to 3. Just, just put all of this into the formula and you will get the final answer. S equals to RM 141,212.20. Question 1B. Bank B offers 5.3% interest per year, compounded monthly. So the formula is just the same as the 1A. The P equals to 120,000, K equals to 5.3% or 0.053, M equals to 12, T equals to 3. So just put all of this into the formula. You will get the final answer. S equals to RM 140,631.31. The question asks which bank will give higher accumulated value at the end of 3 years. So we can see that it is Bank A because it's offer a higher interest rate than Bank B.
Question 2. A young entrepreneur saved 12,000 for her new project. She wants to invest the money into Bank A that offers 5.1% interest per year, compound quarterly. After 3 years of investment, she invests the entire amount into Bank B that offers 4.9% interest per year, compound monthly. A. Calculate the amount she invests in Bank B. So we have list the information given. P equal to 12,000, M equal to 4, K equal to 0.051, and T equal to 3. We will use formula S equal to P 1 plus K over M over MT. So we fill in the information into the formula, and for the final answer, we will get S equal to RM 13970.38. B. Calculate the accumulated amount after 6 years of investment period. So we will use the information given. For P, we will use 13970.78, K 0.049, M equal to 12, and T equal to 3. We fill in into the formula, and for the final answer, we will get S equal to RM 16177.80. C. Comment whether the solution decision give her more profit. For C, we have to calculate first the accumulated amount for 6 years and compare it to the question B. So the answer is no. Switching the decision did not give her more profit. This is because accumulated amount for Bank A for 6 years is higher than the total amount for Bank A for 3 years and Bank B for 3 years.
Question 3. Mr. Daniel deposited 10,500 into an account with interest compounded semi-annually. After 5 years, the balance became 13,980. Later, the bank reduced the interest rate by 0.5% per annum, but the compounding remained semi-annually. And he kept the money for another 3 years. Question 3A. Find the original interest rate per annum compounded semi-annually. So we can see in the question, we can list down the keyword, which is P equals to 10,500. Compound the same annually, that's mean M equals to 2. After 5 years, that's mean T equals to 5 and S equals to 13980. So we use the formula compound interest, which is S equals to P times 1 plus K over M compounded over M times T. So you just substitute the key into the formula and you will get 5.81%. Next, what is the new interest rate? Since the question mentioned that after 5 years, the bank will reduce interest rate by 0.5%. So we will substitute 0.5% from the answer from the previous answer and we will get 5.31. For question 3B, calculate the account balance after the additional 3 years with the reduced interest rate. So we will use the same formula, but we change the interest rate with 0.0531. and the answer will be 163,60117. So for question 3, C, determine the total interest earned for the entire 8 years. So we will use the formula interest equals to S minus P. So we will use the formula for the first 5 years, and then we will use the formula for the additional 3 years. And then we will combine both answer, and the final answer will be 5680.17.
Question 4. Mr. Adam plans to purchase a piece of land for agricultural development priced at 420,000. He pays 30,000 as the down payment and finances the remaining amount through a financial institution. The loan tenure is 25 years with an interest rate of 4.4% compounded monthly. For question A, determine the principal loan amount. The present value for this question is 420,000 and Mr. Adam paid the down payment is 30,000. How to calculate the principal is we need to minus the present value and the down payment, so we get the answer 390,000. Question 4b, calculate the required monthly repayment amount. Show all formulas and step clearly. For this question, the present value is 390,000. K is equals to 0.044, T is equals to 25, which is the year, and M equals to 12, which is the compounded monthly. So we use the present value formula, which is A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus K over M compounded negative MT over K over M. So we just substitute all this amount into a formula. We can and then we can get R is equals to 2145.67. Question 4C. After several years, Mr. Adam misses 3 consecutive monthly installments. Calculate the total amount due on the 4th month. Justify your calculation process. For this question, we use a future value formula, which is S is equals to R times 1 plus K over M and minus 1 over K over M. The amount of R we can get from 4B, which is 2145.67. So we just substitute in the future value formula. So the final answer we can get is S is equals to 8630. Question 4D. 10 years before the loan matures, Mr. Adam wishes to make a full settlement. Calculate the outstanding balance. Explain the calculation given. For this question, Mr. Adam wants to make a full settlement within 15 years. So we need to calculate the another 10 years for Mr. Adam. So we use the present value formula, which is A equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus K over M compound negative M times T over K over M. So we just substitute all the amount in this formula. The amount of R we can get from 4B. So after we calculate all this in this equation, we can get A is equals to 208,000.34. Based on your finding from part 1 to 4, determine the total interest paid over the entire duration of the loan if he completes the full settlement as in part 4. Provide a brief interpretation of your result. For this question, we need to find the total of S first. So we just calculate the 2145.67 times in the bracket we just put 15 times 12 minus 4. So the total of it we can get 377,637.92. After that, we just add the total of monthly installment and the total of the full settlement in 10 years. And the total of S we can get 594,268.26. And after that, we can calculate the total interest paid over the entire duration, which is we can use this formula I equals to S minus P. So we just substitute the value of S and the value of P, and the final answer we can get 204,268.
For question 5, Ryan buys a Pro Asian gaming chair price RM7580. He pays a down payment of RM1137. So first, we calculate the remaining balance. The remaining balance is RM7580 minus RM1137, which equals RM6443. Next, Ryan pays the balance through monthly installment of RM150.58 with an interest rate of 5.75% per year compounded monthly. Since this involves regular monthly payment, we use the present value of annuity formula, where A equals to 6443, R equals to 150.58, K equals to 0.0575, M equals to 12, T equals to number of year. We substitute all the value into the formula and simplify the equation. Next, we take log on both sides to solve for T. After calculating, we find that T equals to 4. Therefore, Ryan needs 4 years to fully settle the payment.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching and we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.